Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In this episode, we leave Sunrise RV Park in Kingman, Arizona, and head to Boulder City and the Lake Mead recreational area. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go. All right, we're all hooked up. We tried to dump before we left, but since it's only 22 outside, nothing came out hardly. So we're gonna have to dump once we get up to Vegas and get in the 50s. So that's all right. Where we're going, they have a dump station and we can fill up with water because we're gonna be in a federal park. No hookups, but Ray and Anita are on their way, so we'll meet them sometime today. So we're getting ready to pull out of here. Shirley went down to the office to tell her we were leaving. Down the road we go. Let's go. Let's get out of this cold place. It's 22 this morning in Kingman. Whew. It's December 29th. And I'm ready to leave this place. Gotta get someplace warm. There we go.
Now it works.
Huh?
Now it works.
Yeah, it works a lot better when you plug the pigtail in to the truck. Alright.
Ooh, my hands are so cold they hurt.
Yeah, mine too. Alright, leaving Kingman. Leaving Sunrise RV Park. Nice place. It's clean. They're mostly full-timers, but they have like 19 pull-throughs for nightlies. And it's very well kept. Bathrooms and showers.
Bathrooms are spotless.
Spotless. So
Laundry's really good.
Yep, and it was inexpensive too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's $1.75 to wash, and 75 cents to dry, and they don't only.
Louder.
You can't beat that.
Nope. Okay. Not much else to say about the place. It's nice. If first night is $20 because that's Passport America. If you have Passport America, you're cool. So here we go. We're heading off to Vegas and
warmer weather, we hope.
We hope. So we can get this thing dumped because it's all froze up underneath there as down the road we go. Let's go.
Well, we made it to Lake Mead.
recreation area. Boulder Beach Visitor Center. Now we're looking, we gotta go down this long hill to get us into the RV park. Actually, there's an RV park to the right that costs way too much money, and there's a Campgrounds, takes RVs, to the left that costs $20 a night, except that it is shut down because the government shut down. So if we can find a spot,
it's free.
We're free. No hookups, but they do have a dump station, which we're going to have to hit first because we couldn't get the trailer to dump down in Kingman. It was too cold. I think it was froze up, so it was coming out really slow. So we thought we'd wait. Not much warmer now, 41 degrees, but that's better than 22 degrees and 15-mile-an-hour winds with a wind chill of 12. So here we go. Get back with you when we get in the spot. Alright, we're taking a walk around the Lake Mead National Recreational Campground. It's $20 a night, $10 if you're a senior, or an even better deal, if the government shut down, it's free, which is the way it is right now. So we're just going to take a walk around and look at a few different campers. We'll be creeping on people. There's camper van Kevin down there, so we're going to go down and say hi to him probably. Well, here's something cool we ran into. We filmed it the other day, but now there's somebody there because they got smoke coming out of the smokestack. Pretty cool. This built on a gooseneck trailer. Gosh, it looks heavy, but it might not be. It's not wood. It's probably plastic, that siding and stuff. But is that cool or what? Okay, we just discovered that this is not plastic. This is real wood, and it's chinked. It's real wood. So this thing has got to be heavy. That thing should tell you all about it right there. Some kind of brochure, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. And you said I'll be darned, it is. It's hinged up underneath there, that porch. It must rotate up. Or slide back. You know it slides back.
Up underneath.
It slides back. You see the wheels on the end of it? So that thing slides back underneath the trailer. It slides back underneath. That is wild. Oh. In case we haven't met, this is our friend Ray. Okay, still strolling around. Uh-oh, there's an Airstream. This place is gorgeous. Okay, the women found camper van Kevin, and they're talking to him. So let's go down and say hi.
Good morning.
How you doing, Kevin?
Good, good.
This is Ray Halford.
Oh, Mr. Ray. I've been hugging on your girl. I hope that's all right.
Yeah, you got to watch him. He hugs up on all of them.
I hug all the pretty girls.
Yeah. So how you doing today?
Good. I'm enjoying this free campground.
It's nice, isn't it?
I think I might stay here a day or two.
I would. Well, you got to wait to pick up your mail anyway.
Yeah, I do. It's right up the road. This guy right here. Well, I used to travel. I had a fifth wheel toy hauler that big.
Yeah.
I sure am glad I'm down to this.
Yeah.
But my truck was bigger.
Well, that's what we're thinking about, downsizing our rig. It's just so darn big. It's comfortable, but it's big. But
Not everybody. It takes a transition. It's hard to go. You know, people say, "Oh, they look that big RV," but they might have come out of a 10,000 square foot house, and
yeah.
And to them, that is small.
That's tiny, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's all about perception.
Right. Well, we were watching your video this morning about Martini and her dog food and stuff. So.
Yeah, I was concerned about it because I thought, oh, I don't want that to happen to mine.
I switched over to a new brand. We're going to see if it works. But Martini, she still got bubbles on her tongue, so it shows a sign of nausea.
Yeah.
And I'm giving her Pipsat AC 5 milligrams.
Yeah.
But you know, not everybody can switch down to this right off. This is how I started, and then I went bigger, and then back.
Yeah.
But you know,
Well,
if I was married or whatever, I'd have to have more room.
right.
But for me and 3 dogs,
Yeah.
perfect.
We started with a 19-foot bumper pull,
Right.
got up to 35-foot fifth wheel, and now we're looking about going back to a bumper pull. So
If we can get a Hensley hitch.
I'm tired of towing. The perfect RV doesn't, and if you find it, if you find the perfect RV, then you change.
yeah, right.
And I've done that a couple times. I'm like, I hit it, and then, oh, okay, now I got something different going on.
Yeah.
Oh, she's shivering.
That's like every time we put tires on one, we trade it.
We traded. We've done it twice.
We've done it twice now.
I sold my tan camper van with brand new BF Goodrich TA KO2s. Brand spanking new.
Just hurts your wallet, you know.
You're a mess.
But yeah, her tongue was hanging out and swollen. I think she was licking so much because she's had so much antacid coming up, and that caused the ulcer under her tongue. So we're thinking it's the food. Her pancreas levels are worse now than when I was giving her people food.
Yeah, we were watching your video this morning. We got, you know, saw the chart and everything, just
Me and
off the
vet,
chart.
we were just shocked. We were like, whoa. She's like, you've been giving that dog people food. I'm like, no, I haven't. Baby May. I mean, Martinis. Did I tell you to get out? No. You get back in here, baby. She might have fell out.
No, she didn't fall out.
But I've just put this new harness on her. I got it. Someone had it for free at the van build in the free pile outside the van. It fits her just perfect. I like her having a handle. Tucker's got a handle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tucker needs a handle.
Yeah, he needs a rope
Yeah.
with a
I
noose.
can't take you both. You sweet.
Okay, we're headed for downtown Las Vegas. The specific address is In-N-Out. So one person in here. Have you ever had an In-N-Out? You've never had an In-N-Out? Okay. So a few people in here have never had an In-N-Out. Anita or Ray. So we're going to go down there and have an In-N-Out.
13 minutes to go again.
Go keto. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In the next episode, we'll get a short taste of Vegas by going to Fremont Street. And then we'll be leaving the Lake Mead campground and heading south for River Island State Park. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go.